Ross has got the trucks.
Presenting the 2016 Jeep Grand Cherokee. It's powered by four-wheel drive, a 3.6-liter, six-cylinder engine, and an automatic transmission. The features include a power sunroof, electric trunk, tow hook, premium rims, auto-dimming mirrors, a spoiler, an alarm system, roof rails, keyless entry, heated outside mirrors. Inside you'll find heated steering wheel, leather seats, Bluetooth connectivity, Sirius XM satellite radio, and auxiliary input, remote start, steering wheel controls, memory seats, a premium sound system. Great quality at a great price. Call or click to contact us today.
Ross has got the trucks, man. Ross has got the trucks. Right now you're in luck, man. Ross has got the trucks and Jeeps and vans, man. Do the best that you can, man. Two-wheel, four-wheel, everyone's a good deal. Ross has got the trucks.